Surely you have heard of affiliate marketing, but you think, how am I going to sell if I don't even have followers? Well, if you are interested in an online business that does not require experience or investment, this video is for you. Today, I bring you the best online business for 2024. Affiliate marketing, specifically for those who do not even have a large follower base. Well, let's first talk about the first concept. Having an audience versus not having an audience. So, when most people talk about how to do affiliate marketing, which is basically where you, as a creator, create some kind of content on the internet, and you partner with different companies that sell products that you know and use. It is totally free to partner with these companies. You simply go to their websites and join what is called their affiliate program, and they give you a unique referral link. Basically, it is a link that you can share with anyone and put it in your content that you are publishing online. And when someone sees your content and clicks on your referral link, it takes them directly to the company's website, where they can buy any of the products you were talking about. And if they make a purchase, you receive a commission for sending that buyer to the company. Normally, the way affiliate marketing is done and the way most people teach it is by already having an audience or a following. However, for 99% of people who are starting out in affiliate marketing, they don't have an audience or a following already established. So what are you supposed to do? Well, what I'm going to show you is what I call the search strategy for affiliate marketing. And before I get into this, let me first say that this is the affiliate marketing strategy that I personally use. I have multiple YouTube channels that are specific to different niches where I create affiliate content. That's where I spend a lot of time creating content and publishing it online to do affiliate marketing. Now, I'll show you what all of that looks like. But first I want to walk you through the entire sequence so that all of this is clearly understood. So for example, you can go to YouTube and choose a random niche. Let's say the niche you selected is technology. If you go to a popular social media platform and type technology gadgets, you will see a whole bunch of posts that have a great opportunity for affiliate marketing. But if you click on any of these posts, you will see that all of those creators already have an audience. They are already positioned on the platform, and that's why they have an audience waiting for them. That's how they can easily do affiliate marketing. There are creators with 126,000 followers on Instagram, and they also have a YouTube channel with almost 100,000 subscribers. That's how they typically do affiliate marketing. They have a full audience. They can create any type of content they want, and then they can connect the different products they use throughout that video with a link in the description. But what if you don't have an audience? How are you supposed to appear in all of these gadget search results? Well, that's where this strategy I'm bringing you comes in. On Google, what many people don't realize is that there are like 100,000 searches going through Google every second. So in just the few seconds it took me to tell you this, there have already been almost 1 million Google searches. To put that in context, that's a lot more organic traffic than what flows on Instagram or Facebook. Now, the reason why this is so useful for affiliate marketing is that you don't need an audience to create content that ranks on Google. On the other hand, a very important fact that we will mention in a second here is that Google and YouTube are owned by the same company. And again, what many people don't realize is that what you publish on YouTube will also appear on Google. So you're getting twice the traffic by simply publishing in one place. To show how all of this starts to take shape for this example of tech gadgets, there are people who go to Google every day looking for these products. So, if you just do a basic search like best tech gadget, what shows up in these results is what we want to pay attention to. You will see results like articles, where if you click, it will be an article that explains what the best recommended gadgets are for technology enthusiasts, according to the creators of that website. And I can almost guarantee that it will include all of those affiliate links that go to these specific products they are talking about. Now, the articles go on to explain each of the different gadgets, why they are good, who they are the best option for, where you can buy them, and all that. That's the first example of how to appear in these search results without having an audience built on social media platforms. We have been doing affiliate marketing for several years, so I can give you some inside information on this from my own data. I have several of these affiliate marketing niche websites. And overall, I can say that the competition has increased a lot in the last year, as artificial intelligence tools have taken center stage and allow you to write these huge articles for affiliate marketing in just a couple of seconds by telling an AI tool to write it for you. So to show you what that looks like, one of the free AI tools is called ChatGPT, and basically anyone can use this totally free. Just say, write me an article about the best tech gadget for this 2024. You press enter, and literally just have to wait and see how the tool writes the whole article for you. And then all you have to do is insert affiliate links to different products. You can even tell it to mention 3 different gadgets and put links to them. This tool simply makes it too easy to create these blog-style articles. So the competition in this specific way of doing the search strategy has grown exponentially, and my personal websites have declined. They are being overwhelmed by people who come and simply create these AI-written articles and basically flood Google with them. So that brings us to the other way you can use this search strategy. This is the strategy that I am personally doing myself. I have been doing this for about 5 years now, at first playing around, tinkering, but gradually getting more into it. In the last 3 years, I have earned hundreds of thousands of euros with this strategy. This strategy that I am about to show you is without a doubt the right place at the right time. When you talk to people who have made a lot of money in a short time, they will tell you that they were in the right place at the right time. As I mentioned before, both Google and YouTube are owned by the same company. So everything that is published on YouTube will also appear on Google. So for those people who went there and were looking for something related to gadgets, you will have the articles that appear, but also videos will appear. These are videos that are pulled directly from YouTube. So for all the people who come to Google and prefer to watch a video instead of reading an article, which is becoming more common, you click on any of these videos and it automatically redirects you directly to YouTube. And then, when you scroll down, you will find all the affiliate links of the products that are mentioned in the videos. This is such a simple business model, and you are basically creating a video. Instead of writing text articles, you are putting your affiliate links to the products you talked about in the video description. Now, a couple of really important things to keep in mind here is that if you are getting into affiliate marketing, when you are creating these videos for any niche you are getting into, you don't need to have any existing followers. Since you are using the search strategy, appearing in Google search results and appearing in YouTube search results, your traffic will simply come from people searching for those topics that your videos are created about. They don't come from your real built audience, like the traditional way of doing affiliate marketing. That is the key thing to understand here. Your traffic flow will come organically from people who regularly come in every day and search for things on Google and YouTube. I just showed you how people will find this video organically from Google, but the same happens on YouTube. So if you search for that same tech gadget for 2024, you will find the videos in the YouTube search results. And again, your videos will show up there even if you don't have any followers. And what I love about YouTube is that your videos stay in the search results for years. It's not like Instagram or Facebook where you post something and then after a couple of hours or a couple of days, it's pretty much irrelevant because it's completely down in the feed. People don't find it organically. This is completely different. YouTube and Google don't care how old the content is as long as it's good content. So this is where this whole strategy makes sense. And what I'm about to explain, I hope will make all of this fit together for you. And then you will see clearly why this is the right place at the right time. What I just showed you about ChatGPT and how people are using artificial intelligence to simply create text-based articles and flood Google with them is actually hurting Google. Google has gone public with this, and you can see it with all the updates they are implementing in their search results that are trying to get rid of all the AI-created content. They don't want that kind of shallow content that anyone can create and just copy and paste onto their website. They don't want that on their platform because it's not considered high-value or value-added content. However, when you come and see a video with high value-added content, a real person is creating a real video, sharing their real experience with something. This is the kind of user-generated content that Google and YouTube are looking for. They want that on their platform instead of AI-generated content. Now, this also applies to faceless videos. So you don't really have to appear on camera. You can have your camera facing forward and showing different products. how you use different products, and just have your voice explaining what is happening in that video. That is still considered user-generated content, and that is what both Google and YouTube are looking for right now. In conclusion, I dare say that affiliate marketing is the best business for this 2024 and beyond. It requires no experience, no investment, and with this strategy, it doesn't even require followers. So, if you are interested and want to specialize to maximize your commissions, look in the description link for what we have for you. Finally, don't forget to like and subscribe if you liked the video.